Hello!
Hello.
Vlogmas Day 8!
Hello.
Yes, baby's pulling on my hair.
What day is it today? It's Sunday in bed day today.
Yay! We're in Noddy's bed! Okay, well, before I lose all my hair.
Look who it is, who we've got.
There we are.
Yes.
We'll see you in a bit.
Hello, darling.
Again, aren't we, baby? Yeah, we're back from mum and dad quite a lot earlier than usual today because we're about to have a well, I guess you call it a delivery, a food van that pulls up an electric vehicle, and well, we'll show you in a bit. It's called Farewell. It's amazing. You refill all your jars and soaps and laundry detergent and stuff from a van that comes to your house, so it means no packaging or anything, and yeah, it's awesome. I'll show you when they arrive. But also then we're going to go to a Christmas fair. Yes, baby. And just to let you know, we've left Hobbs at mum and dad's for a week because he's not getting the amount of walks and everything. I'm just really struggling because if I'm out and about with B, it's just taking up our days, and we've also got workmen outside the house and it always drives him crazy. So I just thought, let's be really nice to him and make sure that he's got a good week as well. So Hobbs is not with us this week, but mum and dad are going to be doing the advent calendar with them, and he loves being there. He loves being with Tigger, and he'll have lots of walks, and I think he needs that, so that's really good. So it's just us this week, isn't it, Beauty Bub? Yeah, it's just us. Think of all the fun things we will do.
Like this. 1, 2, 3.
I love that she loves it, and I think it's terrifying. It's cute, isn't it, baby? Da, 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 da.
It definitely needs a clean. It's horrible. I hate the way it screams when you
Like, don't put me back in the box.
do it again. I mean, it literally screams when you put it away.
It's cute, isn't it, baby? So here we are. Here we are at Farewell, and they're filling up all our laundry and our nuts and seeds and pasta and rice and babies. I'm going to show you the sign so everyone knows. Oh, where's the sign gone? Sorry. Sorry, you're doing maths and I'm just running around going, yeah, ta-da! They're amazing! So now I need to get containers for like the shampoo and conditioner and body wash. That looks perfect, yes. Hello! We're at an amazing Christmas fair. Yay, I'm wearing a baby. Right, we'll show you around because it's so good. Stephen, where are we now? Book fair. It wouldn't be a Vlogmas without a book fair. Yeah, that'll be your favourite so far. I'm just going to show them how Christmassy Hampstead is.
Sweetie, what are you doing?
What are you doing now? I'm putting down all my sewing stuff.
What day is it today?
It's the 8th of December.
What day did we forget to do?
Oh, the 7th. Tonight, is it actually the 7th?
Yeah, it's the 7th. I haven't done the 8th yet.
What is in here?
Alright, you ready? Buckle up, B. another clue that Gabby's...
When Peter Rabbit lost his coat, the cold was his for browing.
What? You don't brow the cold.
Was his for boding?
What? Okay, goodness me. I mean, if you can't read the clue, that's a massive... Come on, darling, that's really neat.
What does that say? For
braving.
For braving. But on the 7th, let it be said, he had an ear for saving. Ooh, okay.
Alright, now at this point, yeah, the only clue that Gabby's got from that entire little rhyming couplet is the words Peter Rabbit. She's not even remotely read any of the rest of it.
Lost his coat, so it could be in the coats. The cold was his for braving, so yeah, that seems like more coats. But on the 7th, which it is, let it be said, he had an ear for saving.
What does that mean?
Look, Bee's got ears on her coat. Yeah, Bee's got ears on her coat. No? No, you're giving me a really blank expression. Well, I feel like I should just start looking.
Well, yeah, that's probably the best, isn't it? Listen.
Okay, so I'm going to first of all look at the Peter Pan section.
Peter Pan, yeah, let's start with him. How long have we got today? I think we should skip Peter altogether and just go for
a rabbit?
Thomas the Tank Engine. Pardon?
Rabbits, Peter Rabbit. Rabbits? Oh, I'm really very tired. I'm making no sense.
Okay, so you're cold at the moment.
Yeah, okay, so Peter Rabbit's here.
Yeah, you're still cold.
Oh, okay, but coat. Is coat warmer? What have you got to say something?
You're cold at the moment.
I'm cold. Well, I am quite cold.
No, colder.
Okay, well, I'm
colder. Colder.
Oh, so I can't walk forwards and I can't walk backwards. Up? Can I go up? I mean, I can't. Oh, he's... No. He's from Peter Rabbit.
Yeah, that's Benjamin Bunny, I think.
Benjamin Bunny.
Might not be in the library.
Oh, bedroom. I was about to walk in there and you said colder.
No, you were walking into the...
So was I right about the coats of ears?
No.
But he's a Peter Rabbit and he's got ears and so's he.
Okay. But why would he have an ear for saving?
Oh, I don't know. An ear for saving. Oh! Here's an ear for saving. Oh!
Because it's a little Peter Rabbit money bank.
Oh, it's just a lovely little pom-pom brooch. Oh, I love that. That's so cute. It's like a really simple, brilliant thing. Thank you.
Awesome.
That's so
right,
lovely.
day 8.
Yay! Thank
No,
you,
that's
baby.
day 7, darling.
Oh, yeah. Oh, right, day 8. Day 7!
Yep, let's go and do day 8.
Oh, so there is day 8 as well?
Yep.
Oh! Are we doing this or we're going to do 2 and... We keep doing 2 instead?
Well, you can either edit the video or you can just say, well, we did 2 in one day.
Okay. Day 8!
What do you think about day 8 down there, little one?
Exactly, B. Okay, alright, I'm going to really take care with this clue now.
Cool, because the battery's running out, so we've only got a
Do you want
limited...
to swap?
No, it's okay. Go on then.
Okay. As this is Bee's first Christmas and we put up the tree, there's one thing left we need to add, and that's a little bee. You'll find me in a parcel where the jungle used to be. The jungle used to be. Find me in a parcel where the jungle used to be. So, the jungle... I mean, we used to have animals hanging around here, but is that what you mean by the jungle? No, okay, clearly not. Oh, the jungle. I mean, the Jungle Book is one thing that I thought of just now. That's one thing I thought of in the jungle. Oh, look at this! And this is when you were like, there's a missing book. And I was like, it's so a present. Look! Oh, baby, that's so lovely. Oh, it's perfect! Hello, Mr. B. Hello, shall we go and show you to your namesake? B? What's this? Is that a little bee? Oh! Do you want to help me put it on the tree, my love? Yeah? Come with me. Come with me, little one. Should we put it on the tree together? Yeah, oh, you want to put the block on the tree? Shall we put it right here for all to see? Yeah? There's a perfect place for Mr. B, isn't there? You have to touch it. Yay!
There's a little bee on our Christmas tree.
Oh, well done, baby. Thank you so much, darling. That is beautiful. What a treasured gift. Stephen has been amazing and taken out all the laundry and folded it and everything, so I'm just putting that away. And I was giving Bee her supper and she ate loads, which was amazing. So yeah, I am so knackered.
Excuse me? Have you got little horns on your head? What's going on with your hair, little one? Yes, I can see these little horns. Oh, okay, and now you're kicking water all over the floor. Oh, splish splash, I was having a bath. Hello, you.